Now, if you like to use heating pads like this, I want you to listen up. I'm gonna give you my top tips on how to use a heating pad without burning yourself. Make sure you watch to the end because the last one, a lot of people are doing it and they didn't know it's wrong. And they are exposing themselves to a high risk of getting burned. Number one, put a layer or a towel between your skin and the heating pad. This is because heat builds up with time and your skin will get numb with time because heat has a sedative effect. So when your skin is not feeling the temperature as much and the temperature keeps going up, you have an increased chance of getting burned without you even knowing it. Number two, you have to use a timer because you don't want the heating pad that's on your skin for too long. You have to let your skin breathe. We recommend around 10 to 15 minutes. The max will be 30 minutes that the heating pad will be on your skin, and then you have to take it off so that your skin will be able to breathe and the blood circulation will go back to normal. And do not use any cream together with the heating pad, especially if it has menthol, because the menthol will make the skin more sensitive. It increases the chance of you getting burned because menthol increases your skin sensitivity, and also it can alter the skin sensation and you won't feel that you're getting burned already if you use a cream together with the heating pad. You want your skin to be able to feel the increase in temperature so that it can warn you if it's too hot already. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Then don't lie down on a heating pad because the pressure will increase the amount of heat getting transferred from the heating pad to your skin, and this increases the chance of you getting burned. I explained that in more detail in this video here.